Creative redundancy.
the one known as CR.
It's been over 90 plus days since the initial transplant. I started this back in the last week of April. Living mulch around it now. Here's the sunflower. Here's the base of it. It's getting pretty wide now. You can see something that looks like squash around it. And it's just growing very, very nicely now. Leaves are huge. They're bigger than your hand, bigger than your face. They're like head, face size, bigger than the hat you're probably wearing right now to watch this video. Then it started to bloom, the flower. And look at it, just getting bigger and bigger and wider and more yellow. And you can see the ray flowers on this sunflower here. As I took all these pictures over the course of like 10 days, it was very, very nice to see the bloom in this. Just lifted my spirits, just like the sunflower itself. It looked very, very nice. It's pretty wide, the flower right now. It's about, I don't know, a foot wide. See the ray flowers, all that stuff on it. I've seen the pollinators, bees and such, flies, wasps kind of gravitate to it and such.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.